Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by enabling the core services so Assistant can run at the lock screen. Open the Google app, tap your profile, then Assistant settings and enable access on lock screen. Make sure microphone permission is granted in App Permissions. Without it, voice won't work. Also check your device lock screen display options and enable showing notifications or sensitive content when needed. Once done, you've prepared both the Assistant and lock screen access. Next, we activate Voice Match so it responds to you. Now train Voice Match so the Assistant recognizes you while locked. In Assistant settings, open Hey Google and Voice Match and follow the voice training prompts. Speak clearly for 3-5 phrases. Enable while locked or lock screen access so the hot word activates when the phone is sleeping. Make sure background detection or similar option is allowed. It lets your device listen for the hot word without requiring an unlock. Once Voice Match is set and verified, test with a simple command at the lock screen. Finish by testing the setup. Lock the phone and say Hey Google followed by a simple request. If it doesn't respond, first ensure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking voice activation and that battery optimization isn't restricting the Google app. Restart the device. If problems persist, retrain Voice Match and clear the Google app cache to remove corrupted data. One key tip: inconsistent behavior often comes from battery saver or aggressive manufacturer settings, so make sure Google is exempted from those restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.